Щедрик, щедрик, щедрівочка, прилетіла, ластівочка, стала собі щебетати, господаря викликати. Вийди, вийди, господарю, подивися на кошару. Там овечки покотились, а ягнички народились. В тебе товар весь хороший, будеш мати мірку грошей. В тебе товар весь хороший, будеш мати мірку грошей. В тебе жінка чорноброва, щедрик, щедрик, щедрівочка, прилетіла. Ластівочка. Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Did you recognize the song that I sang? You may say, okay, I think I heard it in Home Alone, Harry Potter or Die Hard. Ah, it's Carol of the Bells, so you just sang the Ukrainian version of it. No, guys, I sang the original song because Carol of the Bells was gifted to the world by Ukrainians. And as we are celebrating Christmas right now together, I would like to give you some information about that. So, originally this song is called Shchedryk, and it's a folk percussion song that people sang in the spring. It was arranged by composer and teacher Mykola Leontovich in 1916 and tells the story of a swallow flying into their household as to think of wealth that will come with the following spring. And Shchedryk was later adapted as an English Christmas carol, Carol of the Bells by Peter J. Wilhowski. Although Carol of the Bells and Shchedryk share the same melody, the lyrics of these two songs have nothing in common. Так, and I wanted to sing it to you. Please don't judge me. I don't pretend to be a professional singer, so please don't write any bad comments about my singing because I did my best. And guys, I wanted to teach you some basic expressions, how to say Merry Christmas in the Ukrainian language and also Happy New Year, and to share with you some achievements that me and the whole my team of Speak Ukrainian did this year. Guys, how to say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas is Щасливого Різдва. Щасливого Різдва. This year, Ukrainians will celebrate Christmas on December 25th, as the rest of the world. Yes, some of the Ukrainians will celebrate on January the 7th, but I think we will change it completely very soon. And as you know, since 1991, when the USSR was collapsed, it was allowed officially to celebrate Christmas because it wasn't allowed to do that during the USSR because communists saw religion as their competitor. And then Russia and some post-Soviet countries decided to celebrate Christmas on January the 7th. But Ukrainians originally celebrated Christmas as the rest of the world. Yes, there was Christmas Eve on December 24th, and then, yes, Christmas on December 25th, families got together and sang carols and had lots of delicious dishes. And as you can see, Shchedryk was written at the beginning of the 20th century. And Happy New Year, Щасливого Нового року. Щасливого Нового року. If you want to explore some more expressions about how to greet your Ukrainian friends, relatives with these amazing winter holidays, then you can check out the video lessons that I did 3 years ago and see all information there, all the vocabulary. And I wanted to talk to you and tell you about the things that I did together with my amazing team. Guys, I'm not a superhero. I can't teach by myself. I can't produce products like textbooks, app flashcards on my own. I can't do videos on TikTok and Instagram by myself, or also Telegram group. I have a big team of people. They are all Ukrainians who would like to share my goal, my mission to spread the beautiful Ukrainian language and culture across the whole world. So, guys, achievements. In 2023, we have got 350 new students. It's amazing. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for choosing Speak Ukrainian, my dear students. I appreciate it so much, and we are so happy to help you to learn the beautiful Ukrainian language. In total, we had more than 900 students from 46 countries. That's absolutely amazing. And this year I realized, oh no, we had so many students during 2022 and 2023, and you know that because of the full-scale war, people started interesting in Ukrainian language, culture, etc. So therefore, many people wanted to learn the Ukrainian, and it became very popular across the whole world. Another achievement. YouTube channel reached 50,000 subscribers. You know about that, and we celebrated it together here on the live stream. A toast. Так, тост. Дорогі мої друзі, my dear friends, my dear students, мої дорогі студенти, дуже дякую вам за підтримку. Thank you so much for your support, for your kind words, for your comments, for learning the beautiful Ukrainian language, for supporting Ukraine. It is very important. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, let's drink together. So так, і будьмо. Так, how we say, будьмо. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Especially thank you to my patrons, to my supporters. I wouldn't do my YouTube channel so regularly without your help. Also, I recorded new 39 video lessons here on YouTube. Me and my Speak Ukrainian team, we launched such new products as Speak Ukrainian app. You can download it on Play Market and also Apple Store. It is available for all devices, and you can learn the Ukrainian vocabulary there and have a voiceover. Also, we produced textbooks Easy Ukrainian Dialects for levels A2 and B1, and the Ukrainian alphabet book. I dreamed about this book so much. I had an idea to do that, but again, by myself it is impossible to do that. And thank you so much my teachers, especially Irina, who agreed to create learning materials for it. And also we started selling the Ukrainian grammar book. We started collaborating with Halina Matsuk, who is the professional teacher, a professor, PhD from the Ternopil University, named after Ivan Puluy, and together with her we started to teach, and she had her amazing grammar book, and now many people can get it, use it, and be confident in the Ukrainian language. Also, our team grew in 3 times, and that's amazing, and I'm so happy. And currently we have more than 15. We have 15 teachers in our school. They are all professional ones. They have a master's or PhD in linguistics. And currently I redo my website speaky.com. I'm transferring it on another platform, and there we will publish all information about all our team, because it's not only teachers, but we have admins, we have Methodists, we have lots of people who help me in editing video on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, to advertise it, etc. You know, my administrators. If you learn Ukrainian with us, you communicate with them, and so on. Also, more than 20 Ukrainian and foreign media wrote about the Speak Ukrainian School. I gave many interviews. It was podcast. I did some collaborations with bloggers and Ukrainian media. They wanted to know about my project, about my work here in the UK, what I do, how I spread the language here, and also some of our students, they also participated and gave their interview about their experience of learning the beautiful Ukrainian language. We created also the Ukrainian community on Telegram, so you can join it. All the links you will find to the description of this video, and there we have an amazing teacher, Methodist Oksana Dudnik, who posts there lots of interesting information, vocabulary, quizzes, etc. It's absolutely free, so please join it. We want to do as much as we can to create lots of learning materials for you, because when I started teaching the Ukrainian language more than 7 years ago, there were just a little learning materials, and it was so difficult to teach people. But right now I'm so happy to see that every year there are more and more new textbooks, resources, courses, video lessons, etc. It's amazing. Okay, I want to tell you that also I'm very proud of that, and what a year, what a year. I taught my Ukrainian language course from an absolute beginner to a confident speaker. You might heard about this online course. We have it on our website speaky.com, but in person, offline, I taught it at Oxford University during 2 terms, so from January till June 2023. In May 2023, my friend Candice and I organized the Ukrainian Speaking Club in London, and still you can visit it once per month, so if you are in London, you are welcome. And in October 2023, I launched in-person Ukrainian courses for levels A1, A2 in London. I have 2 groups, and we are learning the Ukrainian language very productively right now. And also, you know that besides my online school, my projects in London, in the UK that I do, we have also a charity store, Buy a T-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. And I'm so proud and happy to say that the store earned more than $43,000 profit in 2023. And that is absolutely amazing, because all money I send to my Kherson volunteers who buy medicine, nutrition, food. We ordered, how many? I think like more than 40 these stoves for people who lost their homes in Kherson. Also, we sent many of them to the military who are the hotspots right now, and we're going to keep helping them. I have my friends in Kherson. I trust them. They are volunteers. They are there, and I send all money to them directly, and they give me the report. So I can trust it. So if you want to help, please, you can just buy something, and all this money, all profit, I help to my native city Kherson, which is under heavy missiles every day. The city is destroying every day. It's crazy. And special thank you I want to say Danielle from the United States. Thank you so much for your huge donations that you sent to me via PayPal, and with the help of them I can help a lot. And Yeah, дуже дякую. Probably next year I will go to the United States and I will invite Daniel for a drink to say thank you to him personally for that. Так, друзі. So, 2024 is coming. And I want to tell you thank you so much for still, yeah, it's hard to believe we still have a huge war in Ukraine. It will be 2 years soon. Thank you so much for supporting Ukrainians, for sharing information about what is going on there, for your donations, for learning the beautiful Ukrainian language. All your help is very important, believe me. If you think, okay, I just did a post, I just sent $10, it's nothing. No, believe me, that's a lot. That's a lot, and please don't forget about it. And for 2024, we have lots of plans. We're going to produce more products, to launch more language courses. I'm very enthusiastic and passionate about my school. It's my mission. I love it. It's the sense of my life. You know it already. So please stay happy. Keep learning the Ukrainian language, set up new goals, and I hope that next year we will meet with you in free, victorious Ukraine. Дуже дякую, thank you so much, and па-па, bye-bye.